Hi guys, I am so excited to show you my boys' room. I have 5 kids, so 1 girl, 4 boys. So 2 boys to a room, and I finally finished a room. Hallelujah. I think you guys are going to love it as much as I do. At least I hope so. So I'm going to show you around. I'll tell you where I got things as I remember. And yeah, enjoy. First things first, here's their dresser. I actually have a tutorial on how I spray painted this dresser, and I love the way it came out. It was white, then we did it gray. It was gray for a while, and then I decided, you know what, don't be scared of color. Do some red, and look how good. I'm so happy with it. So I have a little bin there for their stuffed animals. I do minimal stuffed animals. I let them keep their favorites. That bin was from Home Goods. I already showed you that. The dresser was free from a friend. My husband made this out of old pallet board, and we just painted it with gray chalk paint. I believe this is aged gray. The shelf here, I got the brackets from Hobby Lobby. And the wood, I just had extra wood out in my garage. I stained it with antique oak. I think that is what it was. Did it real quick. It's got some nice natural distressing and edging. I got these little piggy banks from Hobby Lobby. Excuse me. I got the arrows from Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, so they were $5 each. You can't beat that. Over here, I'm not one for themes, but I decided why not. They wanted to do marble, and so I figured I would add it as I could. So I got that 50% off at Hobby Lobby. Love it, and it's actually very, very good quality. It's a canvas, just some command strips. Excuse that, that goes in my other kids' room. All right. I have bins under there. I'm looking for a bed skirt. Excuse me, I'm looking for a bed skirt, but I'm having trouble finding one. So that's what it looks like for now. I have old winter clothes under there and some toys. I got the comforter from Target. Both comforters. The bunk bed actually came from Walmart. I love it. It's the same bunk bed in my other boys' room, but it's white. And love, love, love. These are actually collapsible cubes from Target. I don't know if they have them anymore. They're plastic, so they're not super durable, but they were on clearance. And yeah, if I see clearance, it speaks my name, and I have to just go to it. The bins here from Target have socks and some toys in there, and Legos and extra books. The pillowcases and the sheets. Let me show you the sheets real quick. Really cute. They're from Target as well. Let's see down here. Kaboom and Pow. Excuse me, that's from Hobby Lobby. Up there. That is actually from Walmart, like 2 years ago. That, I can't remember. I spray painted it the same color as the dresser, and that was on clearance at Hobby Lobby. The Chevron Throw, Target. And this here, sometimes being a brother is even better than being a superhero. I had that made. A very, very talented girl I found on Facebook. I'll see if I can find her link. She made that for me, and I absolutely love it. It is real. Oh, I can't touch it. I don't like chalkboard. I was going to try to show you that it was real, but I really can't stand the way it feels. It is real. So we have to be very careful with it or it will smudge off. She did such a good job. And I've got these up here. They look like old metal pipes. That's from Target. The curtains are blackout curtains, because if you have little ones, the blackout curtains are a must. Those are also from Target. I will show you the closet. It's actually kind of clean. My husband installed the closet made organizational kit, or whatever it's called, the closet system. He did all of this. It's a lifesaver. And then their clothes. This is Josiah's side. This is Noah's side. All my babies have boxes, like memory boxes. And then down here, costumes, shoes. Yeah. And here's another angle of the room. You guys, I am so thrilled I finally finished one room entirely. You have no idea. So, follow me on Instagram. I will definitely be posting more things and more decor as I go. As always, I'm so thankful you guys watched. Let me know if you want to see anything. I plan to do some more tutorials soon. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. And feel free to share my video if you'd like. Thanks, guys.